we're going to use all epic units, which are including the medic cameraman, large TV man, surveillance camera woman, and camera helicopter. So the first one I'm going to use is obviously camera helicopter. Then for the last few, we're basically going to use each one of them. Now, well, the thing is, make sure to subscribe for the channel because I just traded some of my epic units. I mean, not these, but the watching man video will come out. I mean, if I get like 15 or 10 likes, I will guarantee post it tomorrow. So now we're gonna get started. So we're gonna upgrade our camera helicopter. Now we're just going to basically wait. I'm gonna max it out. I mean, here's the first of all, okay? So we're going to be testing out each of them in city in different rounds, though. But not like those. Like different tests to see which one is the strongest one. But I will use 2 camera helicopters. I will use the maximum of the epic unit section. Now the next thing is, oh, it's not possible for an upgrade yet. Okay, the next thing that we can do now is I tried to make a Queensway a few days ago. But turns out that was canceled because there's supposed to be a Ninja Cameraman only video, but that will be canceled for now. And the next thing is we're going to upgrade this. I'm going to upgrade the camera helicopter. Now the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to wait basically until we get this maxed out. If we have 2, I'm basically going to finish it. Each time we finish a wave, we're going to switch on to the next unit, which may be a different part of the videos or cut it, which I don't know what it will be, but still, it has enough for an upgrade. And our next upgrade is going to be a Titan Speederman. I didn't mean to say that, guys. So a Titan Cameraman, which is an exclusive, by the way. But guys, if you ever want to compete in like a challenge, like I said in the last video, whatever I said, let's just make it a competition for Roblox, basically. I'm gonna make it a competition since I forgot to do my 500 subscribers special. I forgot to do it. Instead, I'm gonna do a 500 subscribers special video to make them win $5 of Roblox. Oh yeah, I'm going to do it in Please Donate, which will give me 70% of it in this segment. So guys, it is not a scam at all. It's not a scam. Okay, now we got our first camera maxed out. We got our first 10 cameraman off the box. We're basically going to finish it soon, like in the next, I don't know when, but I know we're gonna finish it like probably in the next few minutes, probably 9 through 12. Probably 9 through 12 minutes. Probably don't know. But also I posted this is my second post for today. Which that does mean unfortunately I'm gonna post on Wednesday, I think. Or I'll post daily. I'll post daily, actually. So here's the thing. I will post daily videos. But the next news vid is actually going to be tomorrow, actually. Every 2 days from now on. And if Password Alex has an update, I am guaranteed going to make an update. If they update. But if they don't update, I'm going to check out Happy Pet Game to see how the progress is doing. If it's ever coming out on a Wednesday. Because if we know, actually, so, hold on, I'm not going to do that. If we see from here, is the 3rd. Yep, it's the 3rd. So today is Sunday. Saturday is yesterday. That means it's going to be coming out on a Wednesday, pretty much. So Happy Pet Game will come out on a Wednesday, the 19th, or if Wednesday possibly doing. I haven't checked my calendar for this video. No credits to DJ Momoably for this because that'll basically be okay. And here's some bad news, okay? Since I said I was gonna probably do a Speedman video, it will be in this video. I'm gonna spoil it. So instead of using epic units, I will use So unfortunately, I will do Watch TV Man and I will put the new video that I just got on my channel yesterday, 2 Roblox things, and that was in there like a few days. So after this, I show you the channel. I won't show you the channel actually. Okay, so I got 2 of them maxed out. And basically we're going to win. Basically, it's not going to be fake, which I know of. We may end the video here because it's been the last 8 minutes full real time. So I just want to say, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And make sure to follow Teflet because that's how I got the game on right now. It's called Toyo Tower Defense, if you know. And that's all I'm going to say. So I am going to be. And make sure to shout out for AP Plays because I'm doing this giveaway like last time I said, the last video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.